Hello, everybody. Welcome back for our fifth session on System O. Today, we're going to talk about building a course within the platform. We've been through 4 trainings so far this week. First being how System O, what System O is, and how to utilize it, and why it's important for affiliate marketers, specifically those who are beginning their affiliate marketing journey. Second day, we looked into how to build a landing page. Third day, a sales page or a bridge page if you're putting an affiliate product. And then yesterday, we dived into the 2 ways that you can build an automated email sequence with System O. Today was going to be the last day. We're going to cover building online courses. And this is super useful if you are making offers out to people, because you can talk about or add content into these courses that will be bonuses for your offer. So let's get into it. So like before, we have our System O account. I'm going to go under product sales and go to courses. Now, this right here is going to have nothing because this is a new account. There's no courses being created for this account. But if let's say I'm doing a one-on-one calls or group calls with my clients. I got people who bought my coaching, and I want to make those recordings available for people to later access in order to go back and watch it in case I missed a call this week. What I can do is hit add new course. I'm going to call this VIP coaching with Tyler. Description can be wherever I want to. Obviously, you'll have a default System O link here. Not worried about it. I'm just going to say VIP coaching. Obviously, if I've had the domain name linked, I can choose the domain name. For this account, it's brand new. We don't have a domain name linked. I will not be covering domain names throughout the trainings this week. We're recording separately and uploading that to my YouTube channel as well. You can scroll down here, make sure nothing else needed. Hit save. So now we have our course, VIP coaching with Tyler. If I want to add a new section, of course, if you've been through the 15-day challenge or 3-day challenge or any of the products out there, affiliate programs out there, you'll see a lot of things are separated into modules or sections. You can do that here as well. You can say add module. I'm just going to call this module 1 to make it simple. And we're going to say I can click on module 1 and see it hides it or shows it back. Now, if I want to create a new module, you just have to over here. We want to say coaching call replays. So I can easily go in here, go to module 1, click add lecture. I want to say this one is affiliate marketing 101. There used to be only 2 page templates here. They now have added a 3rd one. I never actually selected this before. So this is something new they just added. So you have a nice little theme here. You can add or remove anything you want to. Typically what I do is I like to update my video by clicking on the video, going to upload. Now you can upload recordings to System O. System allows you to upload videos up to 2 gigabytes in file size. Anything bigger than that, you can't upload it. You have to upload it to YouTube or Vimeo or one of those other sites that you can then access it. But if it's smaller than 2 gigabytes, you can upload your files and they'll access it here. I'm just going to pick a random file I have. So this video is small enough. You're going to see it upload the video to System O. Once it hits 100%, we'll move over to your videos tab here, and we can then go look and select that video. It should take us there automatically. We'll give it just a moment in order to upload. If you're watching this on YouTube, I am planning to do regular trainings in my group, so be sure to check out the link in the description in order to join my Facebook group. These are all questions that me, beginner affiliates or struggling affiliates, depending on where you're at in your journey, struggle with. So we're trying to answer all these questions, trying to help you out the best we can. So as you saw, all I'm going to do your videos. I just select the video and hit insert. I think I might have selected the wrong video, but you can see that that's all you have to do really to upload a video and actually be able to use it. You can then adjust the text here and describe what we're doing. for the video, the lecture itself. Now, if I go back, hit exit here, I've now got that video here. You can set these videos up to be dripped, as in they can each day you can have another video show up that they didn't have access to the day before, or you can set it up to be all at once at full access. When you add someone as well as a student, you can also give them full access or drips. So again, full access is to get access to all the content at once, assuming you've displayed it. Now, just because I've added this video here does not mean they can instantly access it. If I view the course, you'll see there's no videos, no lectures. If I go back to my course here and I click this green check mark for publishing, hit confirm, and now I view the course again, you'll see Affiliate Marketing 101 shows up. Obviously, my video didn't work, but that's just an example of what you can expect when you are wanting to publish a video. And same thing happens for replays. If I want to add something new, I would add a new lecture. We'll pick a different preview this time. This will be what it looks like for that one example. I'll just hit save. I'm gonna say coaching call 1. I'm gonna give it a date. We'll say 9/2/2022. Hit save. Just like before, we have our template. We can get rid of or change what we want to. Upload our video, save and exit, and now have our next video ready to go. If you want to promote this, there are 2 ways you can do it. Obviously, you can if you can promote it as a bonus in your offers, in which case if someone buys, you're going to have to manually add a student to your course using their first name, last name, email address, what type of access you want them to have. The other option is, I've not done this myself, is you can actually, of course I'm going to add instructor name. I'm sure some of these fields are probably required to do this, but there's actually a way to go over to the marketplace. There's a way. I'd have to look into how to do it, and if there's any question about this, I can definitely look up and show you. There's a way to add your course to this marketplace. That's what these are. These are just courses, and you can actually set up to be a commission where if I want to go into here and say this product is coming, I can actually hit promote offer and become an affiliate for this program. Of course, this one costs some money, but it's like 3,000 euros or 5,000 euros, depending on what you want. But there are all kinds of courses out there you can make, and if you want to promote that way, you can. If you want to have an affiliate program directly for your course and don't want to go through the marketplace, I've not found a way to do that without actually bringing in your course and adding it to something like Kartra or Kajabi and putting your course in other places and hooking it up to something like First Promoter. So something to be aware of as you're trying to scale your business, that if you're just wanting to put your content for your offers, say your coaching calls or a free course you're created, something like that, then that's all you have to do is something like that. And if you want to create a free course, you would definitely need to either have them DM you so you can add them manually, or there might be a way that I haven't found yet that you can have people sign up. I have to look at that further, and if there's any questions about that, I'm happy to look into that. That's something I need to know for myself or some stuff I'm doing. But that in a nutshell is courses with System.io. For most people, they may not need this right away, but for a beginner, when you're first getting started, once you get to the point where you feel comfortable making offers, this can be super powerful for you in terms of making content available for your bonuses. That's all I have for you today. Again, there will be one additional training that will not be done live. It'll be pre-recorded, and I'll be on hooking your domain up to System.io because I get a lot of questions about that. So we'll see you in that next video. Y'all have a great day.